Question number 34. A cell has a constant electromotive force. Okay. A variable resistor is connected between the terminals of the cell. So you have a cell and you have a variable resistor connected here. Okay. And then the resistance of the variable resistor is decreased when the value of R is decreased. When R is decreased, what will happen? The terminal potential difference that we have here will also decrease. Okay. Which statement about the change of the cell's terminal potential difference is correct? Okay, he's asking only about that one. Okay, so the terminal potential difference decreased because more work is done moving unit charge through the internal resistance of the cell. So this we are not clear. Let us keep it, but definitely terminal potential is decreasing because you know V is equal to I into R over here. So as a result of it, when R is decreased, definitely V should also decrease. So this could be part of the answer. Let us see this one also. Terminal potential is decreased. So this is also decreased, also correct, because the current in the variable resistor decrease. No, current in the variable resistor cannot decrease, right? It has to increase. But anyway, this cannot be the right answer. Now here these two are definitely not the right answers. So this two goes away. Now let us look at this answer. So this is the definite answer, correct answer. Let us solve this now. Now when the resistance decreases, then what happens? Terminal potential difference decreases, and but what will happen here when R decreases here? The value of I will also increase. Okay, when the value of I is increased, then what can happen? You need to you need to supply more amount of work. You need to do more amount of work. I squared into R into T. I squared into R into T would be larger. Okay, you need to do more work in order to move its unit charge through the internal resistance of the battery. So as a result of it, in both the way, logically and as well as eliminating the options, I feel that A is the right answer.